With that being said, buyer beware. This ain't for a bra. Get you some tape, tape them boobies up, and get it moving. Now you gotta be a little careful with this because she a little see-through. What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Sharina J. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. We are coming upon spring and summertime. Now, for us curvy, thick girls, black is the best color a lot of the times when we're trying to hide our insecurities, or if we just want to look very sleek and like pull together. Listen, black is slimming. Do you see it? So we're gonna hop right into it. I've got black dresses, I've got black jumpers, I've got black rompers, I've got black everything. So we're gonna hop into it, and I'm gonna show y'all a couple of the things that you can do for hot weather, but still look slim and chic. So this very first piece I love. This is like a pant romper. So it comes all the way cut down here, and it has like the little overall straps. I have a brown one as well. I will put the little video that I did, it was a reel that I did the brown one in. So it's the exact same romper, except it's in brown. This one is black. This is super cute. You can pair it with a bodysuit. You can pair it with, you can just pair it with like a bandeau wrap top. You can pair it with a crop top, whatever you want to do. The sky's the limit. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. But I love this. This came from Shein. I believe it was $15 if I'm not mistaken. As always, I'm going to link it down below so that if you want to get a copy for yourself, you can. We don't gatekeep over here. So, but I really love this one. Super cute, super comfortable. It is low rise in the front and the back. So just keep that in mind for shapewear, undergarments, and things like that. So now with all of these outfits, I'm just gonna keep on the same sports bra and the little shaper panties that I have on. I ain't about to get into a whole bunch of shapewear because I'm not going nowhere. But if I were to wear these out, clearly I would wear the appropriate undergarments if it's backless or something like that. And then of course, some of the things are really slim fitting, so I would probably double up on my shapewear personally. Again, if you are all about letting that fupa hang, baby, do you. For me personally, for some things I like to look a bit more pulled in and sleek. So, but this is a, I guess you could call it a romper, but it's more like overalls. So these are shorts, super duper cute, and of course we're gonna be right over here trying them on. But I love this. Again, most of this stuff came from Shein. I feel like a couple of pieces came from Torrid or Fashion Nova, but for the most part, those are the three main stores that I find that have things that fit me the best. If you have something that you want me to try on, my email is right here. Boop. You can email me and I'll send you a PO box to go ahead and ship it to. I haven't gotten enough requests for that kind of stuff yet, so I don't even have a PO box. But if I start getting requests, I will definitely go and acquire a PO box to start receiving things so that I can try on your stuff. If you think you got something that's gonna fit me better than Shein, better than Torrid, better than Fashion Nova, baby, send it to me. I will save my coins and shop with you. I love shopping black-owned businesses, so please. But yes, so this is super cute. Again, you can wear this with just like a bandeau wrap. You can wear it with a crop top, bodysuit, whatever you want. Shit, you can wear it by itself if you're feeling froggy, sis. This right here, it comes up to like right here. So if you have them good perkies, you don't even need a bra. You can just literally throw this on and wear it as it is. Do you? It's summertime, it's hot. You could wear this over a bathing suit coming from the beach. Like if you're on vacation and you just need something to throw over your bathing suit to go eat lunch, brunch, whatever. Perfect. It's cotton. It's a stretch. It's stretch. And I love it. So next up, we have this chic little romper. It is so cute. Now this is a 4X, y'all. This came from Shein. There is absolutely zero stretch in this. There are no zippers. There is no way to get in this except to slide it up over your hips and pull it up over your arms. With that being said, buyer beware. This doesn't fit me, or it didn't the last time that I tried it on. I'm gonna go ahead and insert myself trying to get into it over here if I can. If I do, then we'll see that here. But as far as I can remember, this don't fit. It does come with a belt. This is for, the good thing about Shein though is this: if you've never shopped there before, just because I know a lot of people are afraid to shop on Shein because they are thinking that they're going to get stuff that doesn't look like it does in the pictures and stuff like that. So when you're shopping on Shein, it's just like shopping on any major place that sells a lot of stuff, Amazon, wherever, just like a large shipper of different products. You want to look in the comments to see who else bought this. If it's not been bought before, you're buying at your own risk. But if it has been bought before, look for pictures, look for comments, see what people are saying. Does it run small? Things like that. Also with Shein, the dimensions are listed for all their clothes. So even if it says 4X, it'll tell you what the measurements are for that particular 4X garment. So this will tell you what it measures in the bust, the waist, the hips, the arms. It tells you all of that, literally right under, I believe, the sizing. So when you click on your size, it'll have a little description of all the measurements there. So I ain't look at that. I saw this, I thought it was cute, and I bought it. And clearly I should have. I was like, I kept it because I'm like, it will fit it eventually. So we gonna see if I fit into it. But as far as I can remember, this doesn't fit. It is super cute. I believe I have a friend, she bought this exact same one. Looks adorable on her. Looks so cute. It would be, again, cute paired down with some like sandals, or if you have some heels, like some black sleek wrap-up heels, be super cute. Updo, little listen, gold jewelry, silver jewelry even, because it's black. That's the good thing about black, is that you can pair silver jewelry, you can do gold, you can mix and match. Do what you feel. You could do colors, you could do a pop of color. Black is so versatile. I love it. But yeah, that's this romper, and I believe this was maybe $15. Again, I will link it down below if it's still available. Anything that's not linked is just because it's sold out, or it's just not available anymore. So there you go. Now, this is one of my favorite dresses. Now, you got to be a little careful with this because she's a little see-through. Now, if you're going to have on like Spanx or undergarments or something anyway, don't worry too much about it because it'll hide what's necessary to be hidden. But she's gorgeous, as can be seen here. I absolutely love this dress. I have it in pink as well. I wore the pink one on my birthday last year. Actually have not worn this black one yet, but when I saw the pink one and they had it in black, I was like, I need it in pink and black. I believe they also had it in orange. They might have had it in brown, but it's super cute. It's this slank, what material is this? Does it say? It's a 4X. That's what it does say. And this is from the Shein Curve line, but it doesn't say what the material is. It's dumb stretchy though, like super duper stretchy. You could probably size down in this. The pink one I got actually fit me perfectly, but this one, I don't know if it's because of the color of the material, but I felt like I could size down in this one. It does have adjustable straps. When I wore it, I don't think I wore a bra, or maybe I did. I can't remember, but if I wear this in the summertime, I'm not wearing a bra. You can adjust the straps. It holds the girls pretty good. It does have this little piece in the middle. It doesn't move or whatever, but this is super cute. Love this with a pair of heels. This is something I would dress up. I would never dress this down, me personally. You do you. But I would wear this with some black heels, maybe even a blazer, just depending on what I'm going to do. With the pink one, I did wear like a white blazer. With this one, if I'm going to wear a blazer, if it's like spring and it's a cool spring night, I might put a black blazer or something on, or maybe a white blazer, red, whatever. Pop a color because it's black. So I love this. And I believe this was $10, I think, from Shein. Now, this next dress is one of my favorites. I've had this for a while, so I'm gonna try to link it down below, but I'm sure you can just find the silhouette similar somewhere else. It's like a baby doll dress. So this is what it looks like, and it comes up on your chest about right here, and then it is arms free. It has one little button in the back. This came from Torrid and is a 4 in Torrid. Now, when I purchased this, it was too big. It's probably way too big now. So I probably could have done a 3 then, and I might be able to have done a 2 today. Don't we love Torrid sizes? I'm telling you. What size you wear? A 2? But yeah, this is a 4. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it over here. But she is super cute, super flirty. Just, oh my God. I love this dress. It's cool. It's cotton. I believe it's 100% cotton. It's it almost feels like linen, but I know it's not linen. But she is super duper cute. Love this. And I've had this for a while. When I tell you I had this probably like 3 or 4 years, she holds up. She holds up. Now, another good place to get dresses from that are like this kind of material, this flowiness, Old Navy. I had a white and blue dress from Old Navy. Every time I wore that dress, I got compliments. Like every single time. It was strapless. It came up to right here, and then it was just the way it flowed. It was the same material. I don't have that dress anymore, but it lasted for a good amount of time as well. I probably had that dress for probably 8 to 10 years. I absolutely loved that dress. If I looked online to find similar dresses like it, I never could. But yeah, so that's this particular black dress. I'll never give this up. She's gorgeous. Love to have her in my collection. Again, you can throw on a cardigan with this. You can wear it just as is. You can even put a shirt on underneath it if you're uncomfortable with your arms or something like that. Do it however it makes you more comfortable. I'm going to just wear it like this because you're going to get the arms that you get. But yes, I absolutely love this. All right, now we get to the bodycon type stuff. Now, we went over one bodycon dress, the black one with the keyhole cut out. This one is more demure in the front. But listen, she's a party in the back. I don't even know if y'all can see that, but this whole back is out. Let me see if I can get it on camera. Do you see that? Oh, that's the back. So this is something you would have to wear braless. You won't need to find you a good, you know, strapless, not even strapless, like backless bra, sis, because this ain't for a bra. Get you some tape them boobies up, and get it moving. I put a TikTok or a video, a reel or something, that I had a good strapless bra. It was super good. You have to put that on before you put on lotion. So any kind of moisturizer. Don't moisturize your body at all because the tapes will come sticky. So you want to dry off, be dry, put the bra on, and then lotion. You might even want to put the bra on, put on your outfit, and then lotion the parts that are showing because they will come loose if you put it on top of moisturized skin. But yeah, this dress, I love it. Again, it's really low. The whole back is out. So it's also low rise in the back. So be mindful of shapewear as well, because as we know, some shapewear comes all the way up to your bra line. So that's going to show if you have it on with this. So I believe Skims actually has a very low cut back shapewear. It's Backless. Actually, I believe I had it, but it was too small. I bought the wrong size. So yeah, they have shapewear out there that has your back out if you are going to wear shapewear with it. And if you're not, do use this. Love, 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 love this dress. And again, this is not something I would dress down, but I can see somebody with like some cute tennis shoes on and like a bag. Again, since it's black, you can color it up. Summertime, do neon colors, put your hair in a ponytail. This would be super cute. However you do it. Me personally, I'm wearing this dressed up, heels, diamonds, the 9. That's how I'm going out. But yeah, so love, love, love this dress. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. So this dress I have also worn before in a reel. It was part of my Rue 21 haul. Now, I love this dress because it looks amazing on, for one. Super, super comfortable. Super duper stretchy. It has the ruching on the side just to help with, you know, minimizing illusions and effects and, you know, just making you look snatched and pulled in. The best part about this dress is it was $6 on clearance. Check your clearance rack, okay? I love this dress. I actually have not worn this out of the house as of yet, so I can't speak to the like the upkeep. I haven't washed it or anything as of yet. So I think I washed it when I got it home, but I hung it dry and I haven't worn it since then, since I washed it. But yeah, this is a gorgeous dress. I absolutely love how this fits. Again, it's a back out moment, so be mindful of whatever shapewear you choose. Some people don't even care that they bra show. Do you? I don't care. Like, that's on you. For me personally, I like to make sure that things look slim and they look tucked in and pulled together. So that's me. But if you're just trying to throw something on, this is, again, cute to throw on over a bathing suit even. Super duper comfortable. Like, I see no problems with it. And $6, it's a steal. Like, I have a dress that's similar to this that cost me way more than $6. But we're gonna hop into that one, and that has its own unique purposes. So let's get into that one now. All right, this is the last dress. This one still has the tag on it, so you know I ain't worn it out. This one is from Klassy Network. So this particular dress fits amazing, baby. It gives you every inch of body that you're trying to serve. And it comes with a built-in bra. Okay, like a lot of us don't get built-in bras when we got the ninnies that we got, but this one comes with a built-in bra, so you don't even have to wear a bra with this. Probably some shapewear, but it's very snatchy inny. It's very thick material. It's lined. It is not see-through. Okay, it's not super thin either, so just be mindful if you are gonna sweat a lot. This might not be the dress for you. It's kind of thick, but it's still strapless, like one shoulder strap. Show it here. But I love this. It's mid-calf, super sexy. Again, not something me personally that I would dress down. This is a heels moment. I might even do like a pop of like a neon yellow heel, hair out, just like, listen, I got plans. But I absolutely adore this dress. Once I put it on, when I got it, and listen, I should have had nowhere to go. That's why the tag's still on it. I'm like, this is a special occasion dress. I love this dress. We got to put some memories in this dress. Okay. All right, but that's it. So do me a favor, comment down below which one was your absolute favorite dress. And also, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video so other people can see what kind of stuff that we're wearing out here as thick girls. Okay. I will see y'all next time.